So these are marked. Okay, so here I got 3 LPs and 3 UPs. So that will build 3 solid walls, meaning no window in there.
Yep.
Okay? And then the window panels are over there when we get that. But like I say, we like to start with a corner LP. Is that skid steer available or?
Yep, we can use that. I just got to go change out the tip forks.
Make it be a whole lot easier. Grab a skid and just bring it right over here.
Like set it on the deck?
Could do that.
Well, because everything, I've got it close to the building.
Where they go?
Well, no.
Doesn't matter.
No, I didn't have them where they go, but.
All right, yeah, let's go ahead and open
It's
that.
nice out, so.
You'll be dying in and out.
And we can start right up here. You got a crown staple gun?
Yeah.
Okay.
How big a staple? You don't want to use a framing nailer for those corners?
1 3/4 inch.
Nail?
You got crown staples?
Yeah.
I'd rather use those.
Okay.
For the setting the lips and that.
Yep.
And we'll need a long level.
You want?
4 foot, 6 foot, doesn't matter.
Okay.
We have a hell of a time figuring out the best way to pack these. Because when the trucker pulls the strap down, he don't give a shit. Yeah. So those are all just blocks you have. You can have a whole pile of those. That panel you can hand up to me if you want. Corner piece right behind me here.
Can you kick that nailer or staple that over for me? You got the wall panel.
Now that is down. Okay, that little slot will go down. And then the foam goes to the inside, so go ahead and
That just goes here?
and stick it right in there.
That's it?
That's it. And nail this into that, make sure that's tight. Okay, this corner should be dead nuts here. Looks like it's awful close.
Too much. You gonna smack it the other way, Jimmy?
If I can lift it back to you.
Okay, that's pretty dead nuts.
Okay, now you're lifting the bottom.
You want to just do the staples though?
Sorry, no.
You just want staples though?
I usually use a crown staple, but that's okay for now.
Well, that's all this is.
Yeah.
I mean, they're
Yeah.
like this. Is that all right?
we'll go back and nail it with a big nailer after.
Yeah, okay.
I don't like to get too carried away in case you gotta move something. And now, you'll have an upper panel. Your next panel should be a UP. What I need is an LP.
What, you want to throw a brace up on this real quick?
Yeah, no,
Just to hold it still?
I'm gonna put this in and spurs itself up.
Or you want to put this other piece in?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I thought you were telling him UP.
Well, put the UP aside. That's the next one, but we need the LP. That
Okay.
should be the next one down.
Does that say LP?
This is UP.
Okay, bring that over and set it down, and then we need another LP.
We'll need that one next. Just kind of set it on the deck there.
Do these get ripped off later on down the road?
We do that on rainy days.
Okay.
Now, when we'll get that other view post in, but we screw these together.
Yeah.
We do that on a rainy day. I don't do it today unless we gotta pull something together. I'll show you.
Oh, the screwing them together even? Oh, really?
Yeah. It's not necessary to do it as part of the install. What I like to do.
You mean the initial? The initial install. Okay. So we're basically just
What
going
I'm trying
through.
to do is give you a preface.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, don't go right on this corner.
Don't be afraid to use the handles that these come with.
Right over.
That the one?
They're not all the way. The way that I. Okay, now I'll go ahead and shoot it in the top.
Okay.
Now this should dice here, just like that. Go ahead. And
It
put a
looks
couple-
consistent all the way
Don't do the
down.
bottom yet. Now, I want to kick this over. Okay, go ahead.
Shoot it?
Yep.
The whole thing?
Yep. Now this should be plugged if the floor deck is plugged. Okay, so we're off a skosh. That one's right on the button. So a little bit. Not enough to worry about.
That's pretty dead nuts
That's
right
on
there.
the button. So,
It's just that it failed.
so
shoot
by
the bottom?
putting these two in, you got a spur corner right off the bat.
Hopefully.
Okay. Now, Jim, you can bring an upper panel.
You want me to shoot the bottom of this?
Yeah, you can. We will brace that eventually
When we go up high.
when we get a U-post on here. Yeah.
Okay. And you can't put the U-posts in until the UPs are in. Is that
You
correct?
don't want it because it's easier to sequence. Then you're not doing this with the panel.
Okay. Like
So
pulling it
we'll
out.
put
and then-
both these panels in.
Okay.
Now that's, grab the handles. Now these take a little bit more muscle. I'll let you guys do it. And that'll just set to the outside and it'll drop in.
Okay.
Okay? Like what?
This one here?
Yeah, it doesn't matter much. It's the same. So as long as that OSB sits in this slot here, you're in the right spot. Okay. Now, when probably gonna have a step ladder here.
Yep, I got some.
No, this is okay here. Okay, gap here.
It is?
Yeah, that's okay. What you wanna look at is this out here. See this?
Seems
Those
like
are
that's tight.
So what's gonna happen over time, that's gonna move, but that'll give you what you want. Like,
Sure. Yeah.
You might, if you got a gap here, then tap it down on the outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, and the other thing is, these should plane out pretty much.
Well, that border, that's my border.
Okay. Yeah, that's got a little out of whack. And,
Yeah. Like it. There you go. Try that.
if you kind of feel out here, you'll see that OSB should have the same ribbon, same marking. out
Like
here.
reveal.
Yeah. Okay, now what we do
Kinda.
is
I
from
mean,
the inside
This
now.
bottom one is in about a quarter of an inch, and then this one sits pretty much flush here.
Yeah. Again, these are going to wander a little bit.
Well-
Don't worry about that.
Does the siding also? Because the
Well, when
siding
you put
is
the
short.
corner on,
The siding is short, and then the OSB here is
yeah, don't
short
worry
also.
about that.
Well, if we pulled this top one over this much,
Yeah,
the plywood would match up the same there and here.
yeah, you can do that, then you're on the right track. What should happen is these logs should match.
Yep. And that should, if we bump that over, that should be good.
Yeah. One more?
Right there. And then the plywood looks in there on that part. I like that. Okay, that makes sense to me.